Did your mother come from Ireland? 'Cause there's something in you Irish. Can you tell me where you get those Irish eyes? And before she left Killarney, did your mother kiss the blarney for that little touch of road you can't disguise? Oh, I wouldn't be romancing, I can almost see you dancing while the clarion pipers play.